Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Let's talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to check in photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy the surroundings. In the description or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.